So hi friends, now I'm showing write a Java program to use for and for each loops in to display elements of an array. So in the object oriented programming we have used the for and for each loops. So that is doesn't know that we have some many people don't know about this loop. So this is very important. So I have to write a simple program for these loops and we have to easy to understand that. So now watch here. So this is the program and this is a very important program. We have to use it. So now watch here. In that there is a program. So first I have to explain this program. So now public class main. So in that public class main, that is here. So this is the main class name. The first character must should be in capital. That's very important. And watch here. So this is the public static void main string arg. So this is the main function in Java. So in Java we have to use the public static main. So in C and C++ we have to use the main or void main or int main. So in that we have to write the int array. So int array equal to 1 2 3 4. So now for display int array, for each display int array. So what's the difference here? This is the for display and the for each display. So in the program we have to print that, use that is the for and for each loops. So we have to use this the for and for each loop, for each display, that is the int array. So now watch here, public static void for display. So first we have to print this is the function, this is the also two functions. So these two are the functions. Now first we have to print this. Now print public static void main for display int array of a. So now system.out.println. So in the C and C++ we have to use the printf and scanf. So and cout and cin and C++. So in Java we have used the print the statement in console, that is the system.out.println. So display an array using for loop. So this is the for loop. So now display an array using for loop, that is the for int I is equal to 0, I less than a dot length and I plus plus. So here this is the length of this array. So now I is equal to 0. So I have to create an I and the initial value is 0. So now system.out.println. So print a of I plus, we have to put the free space. The free space is we have to get the output with some spaces we have to get correctly. So here, and we have to close this and we have to system.out.println because we have to get some spaces. So in my decision is the output is looking so clearly. So now this is close the for loop. So now here I have used the public static void for each display. So int array of data. So in that we have to use the int array of a and we have used the int array of data. So in that system.out.println. So here also print statement, display an array for using for each loop. So in that we have to use the for loop and here we have to use the for each loop. So for int a dot in a colon data. So in that we have used the normal for loop and we have to use the for each loop. So in that int a dot data, now system.out.println a plus, we have to put the same place some spaces we have to output correctly. So now I have to save this file in my computer. So in C and C++ you did not save the file but it compiled and executed, that is doesn't work in Java. In Java you have to compile the file, that is must be saved in my computer. So otherwise it doesn't compile. So now I have to save this file in my computer, that is the main.java. So watch here, in the file name and the class name are been same. So in the Java compiler, compile with the file name and the class name are equal, the compilation is completed. So here we have to save the file. The file is in here, there is only one file, that is the main.java. So in that in this folder there is only one file. So this time I will compile this program. So now we have to compile. So this is the command prompt console. So first we have to go to this folder, that is the D drive and JJava folder. So now get the D drive. So now we have to enter the JJava folder. So that is the cd space JJava. So in the cd means the change directory. So there is change directory to JJava folder. So now we have to successfully enter into the JJava folder. This time I will compile this program. Now type the command javac main.java. So javac means the Java compiler. So Java compiler compile this Java file. So in this folder there is no more other files. There after the compilation is successfully complete, the dot class file has been created automatically. So now we start the compilation. So here the compilation is completed successfully. Here the main dot class file is created automatically. So otherwise there is no more errors are in this program. The program has no errors. So this time I will execute this program right now. So now watch here. Type java space main. So here this is the difference between the compilation and execution. So watch here in the compilation we have to give the java C. The C means the compiler. So in that compiler we have to give the file name. So that the main.java is the file name, and here java space main, this is the class name. So that is the difference between the compilation and execution. In the compilation we have to give the file name, and the execution we have to give the class name. Now click enter to start the execution. So here display an array using for loop, that is a 1 2 3 4. So display an array using for each loop, that is a 1 2 3 4. So this is the program for using for each and for loop. So thanks for watching my video. Thank you.